Hello, everyone. Have you ever heard the saying, "What you think, you become"? Imagine if your thoughts had the power to shape your reality. What if you could harness that power to overcome challenges and achieve your goals? Today, we're exploring the extraordinary power of the mind. By the end of this lecture, you'll understand the impact of mindset on your life, the science behind the mind's influence on physical health, practical techniques to harness the power of your mind for positive change. Let's discuss the difference between fixed and growth mindset. Carol Dweck's research on fixed and growth mindsets reveals how our beliefs about our abilities can shape our success. A fixed mindset assumes that our abilities are static, while a growth mindset believes they can be developed through effort and learning. Example: consider a student who believes they are bad at math. With a fixed mindset, they avoid challenges and give up easily. However, with a growth mindset, they embrace challenges, persist through difficulties, and ultimately improve their math skills. Self-fulfilling prophecies. The concept of self-fulfilling prophecies highlights how our expectations can influence outcomes. When we believe something will happen, our behaviors align with that belief, increasing the likelihood of it becoming reality. Story: in a famous study, teachers were told that certain students were bloomers based on a fake intelligence test. By the end of the year, those students showed significant academic improvement, simply because the teacher's expectations influenced their behavior and treatment of the students. Let's move on to the mind-body connection. Placebo effect. The placebo effect demonstrates the mind's ability to influence physical health. When patients believe they are receiving treatment, they often experience real improvements, even if the treatment is inactive. Example: in a study on pain management, patients given a placebo reported pain relief comparable to those given actual painkillers. Their belief in the treatment triggered the body's natural pain relief mechanisms. Stress and health. Chronic stress can negatively impact physical health by weakening the immune system and increasing the risk of illnesses. Conversely, positive mental states can boost immune function and promote healing. Analogy: think of your mind as the conductor of an orchestra, directing various sections, body systems, to create harmony, health. When the conductor is stressed or negative, the performance suffers. But with positivity and balance, the orchestra plays beautifully. Lastly, let's discuss some techniques to harness the mind's power. Visualization. Visualization involves creating vivid mental images of desired outcomes. Athletes, for instance, use visualization to enhance performance by mentally rehearsing their actions and achieving success. Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps uses visualization to imagine every stroke and turn of his race, helping him perform at his peak during actual competitions. Affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce desired beliefs and outcomes. Repeating affirmations can rewire the brain to adopt these beliefs, influencing behavior and success. By regularly affirming, "I am confident and capable," you begin to embody these qualities, leading to improved self-esteem and performance in various areas of life. Closing thoughts. In conclusion, the power of the mind is immense. We can shape our reality and achieve greater success and well-being by understanding and leveraging our mindset, the mind-body connection, and practical techniques like visualization and affirmations. Remember, the mind is a powerful tool. Use it wisely. Assignment. This week, practice visualization by spending a few minutes each day imagining a specific goal you want to achieve. Visualize yourself successfully reaching that goal and pay attention to any changes in your motivation and actions. Recommended resources. For further reading, check out Mindset: The New Psychology of Success by Carol S. Dweck. This book discusses the concept of fixed and growth mindsets and their impact on our lives.